On vehicles equipped with navigation, you can customize the home screen on your display audio system and effortlessly switch from a 3-panel to a 2-panel screen. To customize your home screen layout, touch the Setup icon on your display screen. Once inside the Setup menu, touch the Home Screen button. You can change what appears on your home screen by choosing from the available apps and replacing with another app. Select from features such as Audio, Navigation, Phone, which allows you to display 4 contact names on your screen for easy dialing, or Eco, which monitors fuel consumption. You can also change the order of the audio sources that appear on your display screen, making it easier to access the audio sources you use most often. To reorder your audio sources, first access the Audio screen, then touch Source. Once in the Select Audio Source screen, touch Reorder. To highlight and move an icon, simply touch and move it along the screen by using the left and right arrows. Once you are satisfied with the order of your audio sources, touch OK. You can now scroll through your audio sources in the order you've decided by pressing the Mode button on your steering wheel. To set a preset radio station, press the Audio button on the bezel. Touch Source to display the Select Audio Source screen. In this example, we'll select an FM preset. Touch FM. On the radio screen, you will notice that the leftmost column is dedicated to preset radio stations, while the right side of the screen displays the current radio station being broadcast, along with song and artist information when available via the radio data system. To add a radio station to your list of presets on the left, simply tune to the radio station you would like to add, using the tuning knob to the right of the display. Then press and hold one of the available preset slots on the left to add the station as a custom preset. The number of presets is customizable from 6 to 36 based on user preference. Once you have paired your Bluetooth-enabled mobile device to the display audio system, making a hands-free phone call is convenient. To access your phone and all of your contacts, press the Phone button on the bezel, or press the Off Hook button on the steering wheel. This will bring up a screen displaying your recent call history. To call a recently dialed number, simply touch the number on the display screen that you wish to call. From the Call History screen, touch the headings along the top to view your other calling options. You can make outgoing calls through the Favorites, Contacts, and Dial Pad options. Swipe your finger in an up or down motion to browse through lists using the scrolling function on your display. Adding a contact as a favorite in your display audio system is easy to do and allows you to quickly find your most dialed contacts. Add a contact as a favorite by locating their name under the Contacts tab and then touching the star beside their name. The voice recognition feature provides an alternative way to place outgoing calls. To call a contact using voice recognition, simply press the Talk switch on your steering wheel.
How may I help you?
Once prompted, say a command like, "Call home."
Calling that mobile number for home.
You can also dial by number by speaking a number aloud, or you can call your most recently dialed number by saying "Redial." To bring up your call history screen, say Show Recent Calls. Once you've paired a Bluetooth-enabled mobile device to the Toyota display audio system, you will be able to place outgoing calls, receive incoming calls, and access your contacts and call history right from the vehicle's touchscreen. For customers with a compatible smartphone, SMS Text-to-Voice enables the display audio system to read text messages and allows you to respond using customizable preset responses. To begin pairing your mobile device, press the Phone button on the vehicle's bezel, which is located here on the display audio system. or here on the display audio with navigation. You can also press the off hook button here on the steering wheel. To proceed, touch Yes. While your system searches for a device, be sure to enable the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device to allow for pairing. Let's examine how to do this on iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry devices. On an iPhone, access your Settings menu, touch Bluetooth, and ensure that this feature is turned on. Select the name associated with your Toyota vehicle. Select Pair. To pair an Android device, first access your phone's Settings menu, then ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Touch Scan and select the name associated with your Toyota vehicle once it appears on the screen. To confirm, select OK. If you are pairing a BlackBerry device, access your Settings menu, then select Network Connections. Select Bluetooth and turn your Bluetooth functionality on. Ensure that your device is in discoverable mode. Select the device name associated with your Toyota vehicle, and then select Yes. Once a device has been successfully paired to the display audio system, you will see this message appear on your display screen. Allow the system a few moments to transfer information, such as your recent call history and contacts from your mobile device. To pair an additional mobile device, first touch the Setup button from the home screen on the display. The Setup button is located here on the display audio system, or here on the display audio with navigation. From here, touch the Bluetooth button, and then touch Add. Since your vehicle can only be connected to one device at a time, a message will appear on the display audio screen stating that all other devices must be disconnected before a new device can be paired. To proceed, touch Yes. Make the additional mobile device discoverable to the vehicle's display audio system by following the same steps outlined earlier in this video. Although the system is connected to one mobile device at a time, it will always remain paired for the next time you wish to connect to the display audio system. Touch OK. You will now be brought to a screen which will show all the devices paired to your display audio system. The system is capable of storing up to 5 paired devices, and according to user preferences, will automatically connect to the most recently paired device. To connect to one of the other already paired devices, select from the list by pressing Setup, then Bluetooth. To find out which mobile device is paired, look for the name of the device in the upper left-hand corner of the display. On the upper right side, you will see your device's signal strength and battery level.